Need a Beyblade that can attack and defend at the same time? Check out this Claw Leon. Let's make our Claw Leon. This is how to do. Isn't that click sound here? This is our launcher. Put launcher like that. And our Beyblade is ready. Let's do one battle. Look how it's defend or attack. Leon, let's battle.
3, 2, 1, ready!
The Claw Leon is a balanced type Beyblade. That means it combines attack, defense, and stamina to give you well-rounded performance in the battle. It's a right spinning top, and I like how it can stay competitive against different Beyblade types. The design look great, especially the lion theme blade. It has an aggressive look that stands out stadium. Also like it comes with the launcher in the box, so there is no need to buy one separately. This Beyblade is fun for battles with friends and great choice for new players who want to balance stuff. If you are building your Beyblade X collection, Claw Leon is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching.